to scratch your ass. Hey, he's put his hands on his handlebars. Up. Dear oh pray. You'll look good on YouTube.
What are you doing on about?
I've got you on camera, dear boy. You're going to look wonderful on YouTube.
They want you to do or say what they want you to say. It's a machine that'll grind you up. And when in the corporate world, money talks. I was very severely disappointed in the NBA's reaction. But they have so much money at stake. I understand it. That
All right,
it's a
fair enough.
But my God.
Well, they are. They're fine, but not for what this is for.
No. Because the problem is...
Green, stop looking at your makeup.
Because the problem is...
See,
What's he doing?
he wants to park somewhere, but I don't. Right, it's indicating to turn left into a spot a minute ago, which I thought it was going to stop and then reverse into, which is why I held back.
Yeah.
And then obviously it's going slow, and then just did that.
People who say we should tax cigarettes even more because it does discourage people like you from smoking.
A few moments later.
The very first day I tried vaping, I never wanted another cigarette. That's how
Bloody hell, mate.
my own personal experience.
Between junction 27 and 28, I'm Michael Page. Saturday, it is Game Day Breakfast on.
You'd think, as a, you know, his age, you'd know better than to cycle through a red light, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
What? What? I didn't hear you, that's why I said what? What? What?
A few moments later.
That was one of them, There's two. Typical Beamer. Whoa! Me!
Was in
So
that
a public vote would
conversation.
include a general election?
Well, that's
I see.
obviously it's another
Yeah,
form
I
of
see.
public vote.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lastly, do you
Nice
think
S-Type,
Britain will
3
Brexit?
litre.
I do.
Ooh, by
and
my
I think it will be
guess,
a
that's
much,
V6.
Closer relationship with the
I like that
European
Jaguar, just not- wasn't a
Union
massive
than
fan of
favoured,
the,
for example, by Boris
interior, but-
Johnson and Jacob Rees-Mogg.
Are they the architects
Not
of
bad.
some of the misfortune in which the country finds
Mind the
itself?
V6.
Well, look, I'm not. Do you know?
Don't know my cars well enough to tell you that.
I'm going to say yes. And judging by how much that car costs, and I know how, I completely agree with them taking two.
Is your bike there? No rear lights at all. Oh, no rear lights. That's it. Drive around with no rear lights on. Cracking idea, mate.
One, two, three. Three cars there sat in the bus lane, just parked off. I know you've got to drop your kids off at school and everything like that, but oh, here we go, look, that's it. One, park there. Don't knock the kid over on the post, that's it. Oh, don't step out yet. Don't step out. Oh, thanks for indicating then.
Oh!
Well, I'm sorry, Plod, that was about as clear as mud what you were wanting us to do there.
A Rover. Stuck in the middle of the road. What a conundrum, look at this. What a complete cluster. I don't think that Rover's going anywhere. I think it's either broken down or it's crashed.
It's got nobody in it.
There is nobody in it. It's just sort of stuck there on the junction. Oh dear.
Oh look, they're still on the roadside.
Oh yeah. Is that old bloke alright that's up against that post?
I don't really know.
Oh heck. I think he met. I wonder if he owns the car or whatever and it's just broken down. Don't know either. Approach with caution, I suppose.
The door's wide open.
Crikey. Make it help.